Okay, you guys already saw the Instagram story that I posted last Sunday or yesterday because it is Monday as I'm filming this video, but it is Sunday when you're watching this, and this video needs no introduction. So that's why for this week's video, we are going to be unboxing this brand new Apple MacBook Air. Guys, let me start by saying that it has literally been 6 years since I had a brand new laptop. My old MacBook Pro was purchased in 2013. It has been getting a lot more slower lately, and with all the content and all of the storage space that I have been using, it was bound to slow down, and that's it. That's the gag. Truth be told, I didn't even think I was actually gonna buy this because I was just browsing Best Buy once, you know, just bored, trying to kill time on a Saturday, and I was like, you know what, let me just go into Best Buy and see what's up, because I actually wanted to get a brand new phone case, and sure enough, I went over to the Apple section, and I saw the laptops, and I didn't even think I was gonna get one, and then I saw this MacBook Air. Now you might be asking yourself, Alvin, why didn't you buy the newest or the latest model? Well, I'm a simple kind of guy, and if I see a deal, I see it, I like it, I want it, I bought it. No, but for real. For $749.99, you really can't beat that price. And just the fact that this is actually going to be a lot more faster than my old laptop just means that I'll get done editing faster and I'll be less stressed in editing. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking now and we're gonna unbox this baby right about now. By the way, if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Alvin. I do a lot of tech unboxings. If you're a returning subscriber and you are getting tired of these unboxings, I'm so sorry, but this channel is part tech, part unboxing, part reviews, so sorry. But also kind of not sorry. Okay, let's really start. So this is the original 13-inch MacBook Air, and it does have a 1.8 gigahertz dual-core processor compared to the old MacBook Pro that I had, which I think was slower than that. I'm not exactly sure, don't quote me. And this does have 128 gigabytes of memory. It's got the FaceTime camera, the LED backlit glossy widescreen display, backlit keyboard, ambient sensor, etc, etc. Alright, time we take our trusty knife, and you might have noticed that I've actually downgraded or upgraded to like a much more smaller compact knife, because why the hell not? Alright, let's go ahead and start making that small incision along the box right here. Ooh yeah, that's so sad. Oh my god, I almost cut myself. Go ahead and take off the plastic. Ooh. Love it. Ah! Unboxing gone wrong. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it, and of course you guys are always gonna watch it first. And what is in the box, you might ask? Let's see. Wham! How's it look? Looks like a dude, doesn't it? Oh my god! There is a brand new freaking laptop in my hands right now. This is so thin and what? That is insane. I need a size comparison. So this is my old MacBook Pro, and this is the MacBook Air. And once we do stack the MacBook Air on top of it, you'll see that it is much more slimmer. It's literally half of its size. You might also notice that some of the ports are missing, and that is because we don't really watch DVDs or Blu-rays on our laptops as much anymore because, hello, we have streaming services like Hulu and Netflix, no tea, no shade. All in all, it's just an ideal upgrade. What also comes in the box? Okay, we do have our power cable, which is what we need to turn this baby on. We do have this little black envelope. Okay, we've got the MacBook Air instructions and setup guide, the Apple stickers, of course, and that's pretty much all that's included in the box. I mean, I really didn't think that I was gonna get earbuds or headphones or something like that. My favorite part. Unpeeling of the MacBook Air. Brand new spanking laptop feel. Who can relate? Whoa. Oh my god. I love how this already looks. While we're comparing these, you'll see this one actually has a lot more silver around the screen, and this one actually has a completely all black with an LOL sticker on it. Not really too much of a difference there. This is crazy. The fact that this is so thin and I don't even have to put like any effort into it, and just, this is insane. I officially love my brand new laptop. I am beyond stoked. Well, there you guys go. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this quick video of me unboxing a MacBook Air. Not the latest version. If you guys like this video, then as always, please make sure to give this video a big old thumbs up and drop a comment about what your favorite laptop is. Is it an Apple? Is it a Windows? But yeah guys, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go play with my laptop. I'm gonna go edit this video. I'm gonna go eat because it's 4:30 again when I'm filming this video and I haven't had lunch yet. So I'm gonna go take care of that. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video, and until next time, I bid thee fare thee well. Goodbye.